Hello, I'm Mark Chalero, the owner of MS Classic Cars. Today I have the pleasure of presenting you an absolutely beautiful 1958 Chevrolet Impala convertible. This is our first 58 Chevrolet Impala convertible we've ever had at MS Classic Cars. We're extremely proud of it. It's one of the best examples I've ever seen. It's a truly stunning car that was restored from head to toe. Starting with the exterior body, it's extremely straight, unlike a lot of Impalas from this particular generation. It sports the original white color from the factory as indicated on the cowl tag. It does have some really cool features such as the fender skirts, the exhaust ports in the rear, and also the Continental kit in the rear as well. It does have some exterior spotlights on both sides also, which is really cool. The exterior stainless trim, and there's a ton of it, is in beautiful show quality condition. It sits on Cooker Classic white wall tires. The interior has been fully restored. There's not one piece of this interior that was not done during the restoration. They did a beautiful job painting the dash, replacing all of the interior hardware, the carpeting, all of the upholstery, the door panels, just a super, super beautiful interior. The engine compartment is highly detailed. It's home to the 348 V8 engine. The engine was upgraded with the tri-power setup. It is a correct setup. It does have the right GM intake. It has the 3 two-barrel Rochester carburetors, and of course the tri-power air cleaner as well. The engine is coupled to an automatic power glide transmission which shifts beautifully. The undercarriage is really detailed as well. The floors were painted in red oxide, kind of like it was done from the factory. Just again, a super nice car. For a complete description with tons of photos, check it out on our website at msclassiccars.com. I'm going to go ahead and start it and let you listen to how beautiful it runs. Absolutely purrs like a kitten.